Open your browser and search for Styler AI. Open the first website and create a new project. You can choose the aspect ratio from here. Let's go with 3 by 4 and click on apply. Now click here to open your image and resize it. Or click on Fit Content. Next click on Image to Image and choose Style. To create a cartoon effect, I will choose the anime style. Now you can type in a prompt to explain your image. Or click on Auto Prompt. This feature will automatically analyze your image and create a prompt for you. You can see the prompt is generated. Now to match the effect to the image, push the structure match slider all the way up. Click on Stabilize and wait a few seconds. Now choose the best result photo and click Place on Canvas. Now this is the before and this is the after. Let's try another style. Click on Image to Image and choose Style. This time I will choose a dreamy 3D style. Click on Stabilize and wait a few seconds. Now choose the best result and place it on the canvas. Now this is the before and this is the after. I hope you love this AI tool. Please hit the like button and comment below. And do not forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.